Hey champ, welcome back to Bright Bites, where learning becomes easy and interesting. Ever heard of money that lives on the internet? Today, let's unlock the world of cryptocurrency, money that lives only online. Cryptocurrency is totally digital. No coins, no bills, just invisible money that works online. Here's something to think about. Who actually uses it? Sounds like a video game, right? But it's real. Gamers, techies, and artists use it every day. But where do we really see it being used? We see crypto being used in online shopping, video games, art like NFTs, and even at BrightCHAMPS to buy courses. Let's rewind the clock. When did this story start? Not that long ago, Bitcoin, the first crypto, was created over 10 years ago. Now, there are thousands. But why do people even use cryptocurrency? Because it's fast, modern, and sometimes earns rewards. But its value can rise and fall super quickly. That's why it's super important to learn before you earn. Crypto is tricky but super powerful, and who might use it in the future? Maybe even you. Gamers, creators, businesses, and kids in the future might use their own coins. Imagine creating your own cryptocurrency. What would you call it? SnackCoins? Gamer coins? FeatherCoins? Your coin could buy pizzas, toys, or even shoes. What would your coin be called? Tell us in the comments. That's it for today, Crypto Champ. You just unlocked a new money skill. Until next time, keep learning, little genius. Bye-bye.